Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials and taking the first corrective actions now. Unplug the modem and router for 30 seconds to clear transient faults. This often restores DHCP leases and routing. While they reboot, confirm your device IP and Wi-Fi name so you know what to reconnect to. Once done, plug devices back in and watch status LEDs. Solid lights usually mean link established. If the router prompts for credentials, have your ISP info ready to avoid delays. Now diagnose the path and isolate the problem with targeted tests. Run ping to your gateway and traceroute to a public server to see where packets fail. This shows if latency is local or upstream. Next, connect a device via Ethernet to rule out Wi-Fi interference. If wired works, focus on channel and band settings. Then inspect router settings. Verify DHCP is enabled, DNS entries are valid, and install any firmware updates to fix known bugs. Finally, apply corrective fixes and finish validation. If configuration errors persist and you have backups, restore from saved settings or factory reset as a last resort. Reconfigure SSID and passwords afterward. Replace suspect Ethernet cables or try different LAN ports to eliminate bad hardware. Once reconnected, confirm speeds and packet loss are within expected ranges. If problems remain, gather your diagnostic logs and contact your ISP, providing ping and traceroute output speeds resolution. One tip: keep a photo of default router labels for quick recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.